When he was on the runway, my dad called him, and Vishwash said, "Oh, we're going to take off soon." And then literally like 2 minutes later, he video called my dad. As he crashed, he said, "Oh, our plane's crashed." All of that. I don't know where my brother is. I don't see any other passengers. I don't know how I'm alive, how I exited the plane. I mean, you can see the state of my mom. Like, we're all just, I've got no words to describe it. This is a miracle he survived. What about the other miracle for my other brother? Just hearing about this crash. I'm scared to fly now, just to even stay on a plane now.
Saya, Muhammad Syahreza. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.